We'll guide you through how to give Robux to people or friends on Roblox Mobile. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to be able to do. So to get started, you need to get the person who you want to send the Robux to go onto their account. I'm currently on the account we're going to be sending the Robux to. Press more in the bottom right, scroll down and press create. Go and press the three lines in the top left and go down and press creations. Press on this place here. You may need to tap it twice and then press the three lines in the top left again and scroll down and find passes and monetization. Then you want to go and scroll down and press create a pass. Go and give it a name, add an image and a description if you wish, and press create pass. Then what you need to do is go and tap on it again here. You may need to tap it twice, press the three lines in the top left and press sales, and you want to switch on item for sale and go and type in the price. Make the price amount of Robux you wish to go and send to this account, so tell the person to go and type that in. Now you can go and close this off in the top left. Make sure you are friends or connections on Roblox. If not, go and add them. The person who's sending the Robux now needs to go onto their account, go and find them as a friend or connection and go and tap on them. And then what you need to do is go and scroll down and press view full profile. Tap creations and go and tap on their place. Scroll down into store and then go and find the pass. You can then tap the Robux amount and press buy. Now that 50 Robux is going to be sent to them if they've just gone and sold it.